What's up guys, it's Nando. Today I'm teaching how to play a song. It's Nawungamthatha umenzo wakho akubiyele umhlengi wami. It's a very simple song. Okay, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification icon so that you don't miss out. You get notifications whenever I upload. You don't miss out anything. Okay, this song is very simple. I'm gonna play it right now. My transpose is 0. This is F sharp. Okay, let's get to it. Okay. Simple song. I think it goes like this only, but I haven't listened to the actual song by Mamsawe that much. Down slowly. No, like this minor chord sounds better than 3. Even this part at Zitatata, it goes the same way. It's just don't be troubled or confused by that thing. It just goes on the same line. See, it's a very simple song, very simple. It's just simple. It's a very simple song. Catch you in the next tutorial. Subscribe, notification icon, give this video a thumbs up, description box, support me guys. That's it. See you next tutorial. Shop.